Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to share my insights on an issue at the intersection of agriculture, ecology, and human-wildlife coexistence. Agricultural irrigation needs are projected to increase 5 to 8% by 2070, driven by population growth and environmental demands. Simultaneously, human misuse and habitat loss is driving the decline of water table stability. The reintroduction of beavers emerges as a potential solution. Beavers are environmental engineers capable of reversing channelization, recreating wetlands, and raising the water table. However, this positive initiative faces challenges, most notably human beaver conflicts causing flooding and property damage in agricultural areas. My work this summer, conducted during an internship with Snohomish Conservation District, or SCD, aimed to answer the research question: what aspects of human beaver conflict can be minimized to allow beavers to increase water table stability and aid watershed restoration efforts? To answer this question, I developed SCD's Natural Resource Inventory, conducting extensive literature review, utilizing GIS tools, and interviewing SCD members. The GIS mapping tool pictured here is the Department of Ecology tool I used to create the 303D list of impaired water bodies for Snohomish County. My results can be broken down into infrastructure, outreach and education, management, and how successful improvements in these topics can benefit agricultural areas and the surrounding environment. First, we'll talk about infrastructure. Traditional methods of removal often lead to beavers returning, leading to repeating costs associated with repairing roads and damaged equipment. Flow management devices, such as pond levelers and culvert protection, are the most effective way to prevent waterway blockage and lower repeated expenses. A diagram of a pond leveler is pictured below, displaying the tube that goes through the dam, keeping water at the desired level, and the cage that prevents beavers from blocking the intake tube. Tree caging and crop protection are also able to limit costs to livelihood and protect landowner value. My biggest finding was a need for improved research identifying where beavers are, where they would have the biggest positive impact, and where there is a higher risk for conflict. To strengthen the quality of this research, a uniform, up-to-date recording system should be implemented to quantify important data during the management process. Education and outreach efforts need to improve framing and environmental communication to shift the belief that humans introduced beavers and instead acknowledge them as a natural part of the environment. Although focusing on emphasizing agricultural benefits and ecological value brought by beavers is helpful, at the end of the day, agricultural landowners will prioritize farm well-being first. Proactive programs targeting areas at a higher risk for conflict, a streamlined permitting process, and increased financial resources are crucial to decreasing friction. Improved management strategies include identifying conflict-prone areas, standardizing data collection, simplifying government permitting structures, and implementing all these solutions. As emphasized by Bobby Lindemelder, SCD's Agricultural Department Director, a main goal is to, quote, get someone through the permitting process to effectively implement programs. If agriculture can overcome conflict with beavers, many landowners will notice the benefits of having beavers nearby. These benefits include increases in surface and groundwater, species diversity, carbon sequestration, and salmon well-being. Beaver activity also decreases streamflow velocity, lessens extreme flooding and drought, and captures excess nutrient runoff from agricultural activities. The effect of beavers on the environment can be seen in Figure 3, demonstrating the drastic change in landscape and surface water that can occur in just 12 years. The significance of this research lies in Snohomish County's status as priority farmland and a source of locally grown food. Extreme flooding and drought threaten the future of farmland in Snohomish County, as indicated by the watershed flooding projections figure. This shows the projected increase of 2-year, 10-year, and 100-year flood events on the Snohomish and Stillaguamish rivers, with 2-year flood events increasing as much as 356%. Future research should record beaver populations in high conflict areas in Snohomish County, maintaining a focus on incentivizing landowner participation in coexistence strategies. As we confront challenges posed by climate change, it's evident that coexistence with wildlife is not just important, but imperative. By working together towards conflict resolution with beavers, we enhance ecological balance and learn how to improve our ability to manage all human wildlife interactions more effectively. Thank you.